Hello, my friends. We are back in Gravity 2 Studio, and this is Module 4, Lesson 14. We are still looking at multiplying unit fractions times non-unit fractions. So here's that problem, my friends. We're going to find out how much is 1/2 of 2/3. Let me rewrite that as a multiplication of, well, instead of we're going to write times because that is what the word of implies. We have to multiply, and here's the non-unit. So now, if you just cross multiply, that's how you get your answer. But we're going to work in some understanding. So we can write 1 times 1/2 times. We can write this as 2/3. 2/3. When you do that, then all you have to do is multiply, cross multiply, add that 1 because it's a whole number. You give the whole number a denominator, which is a 1. And you multiply 2 times 1 equals 2, and 1 times 1 equals 2, which equals 1, and then you give it the name 1/3. We write the letter T, 1/3. So that's your answer. Okay, so let's work this out. Well, now let's convert this 1/3 into a fraction. 1/3, that's our answer. Now let's demonstrate this with the model, my friends. Not with the circle. That circle is useless for us right now. But we can use a square, a rectangle. So what this is saying is that you have 1/2 of whatever it is that you have. So this is 1/2. So this is how you show 1/2. And please label 1/2 because it's important to label so we can identify where we are, 1/2. Okay? Then we're going to multiply that by 2/3. So now we'll have to do that across so it's easier to see. So it's like overlapping two model fractions. So we're going to now show 2/3. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3/3. But I got to shade 2 of them because the problem says represent 2/3. And now I can show you that this is 2/3. Now your answer should be, how many are in total here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be 6. And you have how many of them overlap? As you can see, the only ones that overlap is this section right here. And those two count as 2. So the answer on the top will be 2. Now, it's a 2, 6, which can be divided. You have to simplify because you can divide it by 2. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So that should give us 1/3, which is exactly what we had on the expression that we solved. Okay, my friends, watch this video. It's an amazing video that I made with all my heart to help you understand mathematics better. Signing now, your coach, Mr. Magnifico.